doing today? Welcome back to my channel. Today, y'all, I'm going to be trying this air fried cheesy bread, and I think I seen it on TikTok, Instagram, and I think I even seen it on Facebook. So I'm gonna try my hand at it and see what I can do. So let's get into the video, y'all, because I'm kind of excited. So yeah, first I'm going to take my butter, and I'm going to be using this garlic spread and also butter. I'm going to use a little bit of both. They say you're supposed to do both sides, so I'm going to butter both sides with the garlic butter in the butter. To make one, you need two, but I'm making 4. Well, I'm making 2, so I need 4. That's what I'm trying to say. I feel like garlic spread is better for it because it's garlic spread. This is garlic bread. You see that? Garlic spread for the garlic bread, right? At the end of the day, it's gonna look like that. So you see me adding the cheese to it. Adding the cheese. Adding the cheese. Y'all, this recipe, I'm telling you, is like so simple. When I seen it, I was like, oh yeah, I can definitely make that. And as you can see, I'm just adding the cheese. Adding the cheese. So we added all the cheese that we can add. And we're gonna add cheese to the second one. We'll add our cheese to this side too. Now let's just do this, okay? Let's just do this, okay? That's what we're gonna do. After we add our cheese, then we're gonna add our seasonings, which is the Italian seasoning. I bought complete seasoning for that and the garlic powder. I'm not gonna use garlic salt because it's salt, you know, so I'm gonna use garlic powder. Italian seasoning, and we're gonna be using garlic powder. So yeah. So we're gonna take the garlic powder, we'll sprinkle it. Add the garlic powder. Add the garlic powder on both ends, y'all. On the back end and front end, okay? We'll add a little complete. We'll add a little complete. Alright, so now add the complete. I mean the Italian. I don't know what I'm talking about. We'll add the Italian. Now we're going to place, y'all, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna place this tortilla, as you can see, on top of the other one. Alright, y'all.
What's going on?
The cheesy bread. Okay. The tortillas. So yes, y'all. Let's break into it. Let's cut it open and see what we got. Oh, look at that.
Very good.
Almost like. Y'all, try it.
That's good. Cut out the fresh tomatoes.
Lord, yeah, make a pizza, baby. That ain't janky, y'all. Just try it. I'm telling you, try it. 5 minutes in the air fryer, or 5 minutes in the oven. Bomb, y'all. So good. Y'all. I like to